Imagine this flying straight at your guests on Halloween night. Welcome to our Halloween DIY prop series. Today we show you how to make this flying ghost in just a few simple steps. What you need is a styrofoam hat, a wig, a mask, a black cloth, nails, a curtain rail, curtain roller and rail screw, teaser power strips, 3 hooks, 3 pieces of wood, a bottle, a weight heavier than the bottle, fishing wire, stable cord, a wooden ring or just a small piece of wood and double-sided duct tape. To build the ghost, attach the mask and wig to the styrofoam hat. Then pin the piece of cloth to the bottom of the hat. Finally, mount the roller to the hat with a piece of fishing wire so that the ghost can hang. For the scare mechanism, use teaser power strips to stick the curtain rail to the ceiling. Rather use more than less to have it hold safely. Next, prepare 3 fishing wire pulleys by screwing the hooks into the wood pieces and stick teaser power strips on the other side. To guide the string smoothly along the rail, attach the first pulley at the front end of the curtain rail. This end the ghost will be flying towards. Place another pulley right next to the first and a third one at the back of the rail. Now take the fishing wire and lead it through the pulleys starting at the front end of the rail. After that, knot the loose end of the fishing wire to the bottle. Cut the other end so that it reaches around 15 cm onto the rail when the bottle lies on the ground. Attach this end to the roller of the ghost. Put the ghost back up and secure it from falling down with the rail screw. Now you can do a first test. When you drop the bottle, the ghost should fly away. Finally, all you need is a structure that holds the bottle up until you want it to fall. For that, attach another fishing wire through the pulley to the bottle. Knot a piece of strong cord to the weight and hide the weight so that it can't be seen from the front. Pull up the bottle and cut the fishing wire where it just reaches the weight. Next, attach the wooden ring to the fishing wire and jam it into the strong cord. As a final touch, you can hide the bottle under a cloth that fits the scenery. When you loosen the cord, the bottle drops and the ghost races down the curtain rail. And here's the finished flying ghost in action.